And Sudan has a huge economic potential. Sudan crossed a different historical development and Islamic movement, started as Islamic and Turkish, dominating by the coming of the Arab, and the Funjo Islamic Sultanate, and the Turco-Egyptian regime, and also the Mahdist state, the Islamic movement in Sudan. And then after 1910, Anglo-Egyptian condominium period, 1899, till the Sudan be as a republic of 1956. Also, after that, Sudan facing a lot of movement of military occupation, even from 1958 till 1964. The first establishing and the first introducing of the Islamic Bank is the Faisal Islamic Bank, which established. This Faisal Islamic Bank is established in 1977. Islamic Bank started by the bill of a Saudi prince called Muhammad al-Faisal al-Saud. And the new Islamic Bank faced a rush of subscribe to the issue shares, and the capital increased twice of the people. You know that when they heard that Islamic Bank, everybody inside Sudan, outside Sudan came. So the bank that expanded its services horizontally and vertically. And the bank complete other traditional compete other traditional bank which is still there. The Faisal Islamic Bank established subsidiary companies. The main and famous company called Islamic Insurance Company, which is the fairest insurance Islamic company in the world. And also established an Islamic trading company and real estate company and exchange company. The successful of the first Islamic Bank, Faisal Islamic Bank, led the other 6 new Islamic Bank established, like Tadamul Islamic Bank, and the West Islamic Bank, and Al-Baraka Islamic Bank, and North Islamic Bank, and the Cooperative Development Islamic Bank. This last one is one of the government bank. The Faisal Islamic Bank established Sharia Supervisory Board. This Sharia board is belong to the bank to check all the operation according to Islamic Sharia. Issue a lot, and this also this committee issue a lot of fatwa, training, and also training of the staff, and add standard contract of the mode of investment. The successful of this Islamic movement, Islam, led the government to order to adopt Islamic Bank wide. And the Sudanese Islamic Bank draw a very large number of shareholder from Arab and Muslim world, specialized and government. Other things that there, we have 3 specialized bank: agricultural bank, and industry bank, and the real estate. All these first be Islamized immediately by this decision. This wave to different delegates from the different countries, from Malaysia and other countries, to just and to look of this experience and to know and to study this experience and to know what is can be completed. In September 1983, the Sudan government issued a Judicial Rules Act, a new code of civil procedure, and the other new code for traditional 1983. The new circular from the Bank of Sudan, you know that Bank of Sudan is a central bank, directed all Sudanese banks to take and to use Islamic mode of investment. They immediately shift to use Islamic mode of investing, of finance. In 1998, the full conversion of the banking system in the whole of the Sudan country to be Islamized. And that they established a higher Sharia board. You know that till now they are all Islamic banks have a small Sharia board as committee, but this is a higher Sharia board for the banking system and financial institution belongs to central bank and established in the central bank. Even the director of this Sharia board is one of the deputy manager of the Central Bank of Sudan. The revision, this High Sharia revised all the laws pertaining to banking through Islamic model. Also, the revision of the Sudan Act, the Sudan Bank Act, who to be written in 1959. Okay, this to be revision according to the Islamic mode. The sale of mortgages property belonged also to finance people. And the banking business regulation also changed according to Islamic model. Establish a new institution to support Islamic banking system. This Khartoum exchange market, this also exchange market belong to the committee of Sharia board to discuss all the operation that is belong to Sharia or not. Also Bank Deposit Security Fund and other Sudan Financial Company and the new comprehensive banking policy. All the policies nowadays according to the Islamic law. So we looked at about what is the main mode that we use it in Sudan. We use Mudaraba, we use Murabaha, we use partnership as Musharaka, and we use Salam contract for agricultural production and lease finance. So that we mainly, as you know that our Sudan is agricultural country, we're using Salam and Murabaha Musharaka. Move to Islamize all the operation of the banking system. We change the current account savings according to interest and put it as Qard Hasan between the client and the bank. You know that in the past, this current account has some sort of rate of interest, and the other also the saving bank, the saving account. And this is most important account called the investment account. You know that at past we call it time deposit. The time deposit is the bank can give to the client some rate of interest. But when we establish the Islamic bank, we change the name, put it as investment account, according to Mudaraba model. Mudaraba between the owner of the money or the capital and the man who deals with it. So that we come to Al-Mudaraba. You know that the Mudaraba level between the client and the bank and the labor and the capital. They are joint venture between the capital and the labor. The most important thing that we established after the whole Islamization consortium of the commercial bank. We have a lot of organization according to finance, agriculture, and planting, cotton, and sugar, and this. All these corporations are passed, financed by the central bank according to the rate of interest. But a lot of years they are debt, and there are a lot of problems to clear their rate. So that when we establish a new system of Islamization, this consortium from the bank, each bank has share in this fund, and they finance this organization according to the Islamic basis. That means we change the mentality to finance this governmental institution. At past, the Bank of Sudan and the government gives them the loan via and there are a lot of debts, bad debts. But when they establish this new system, every director of this organization has to be keen and be honest and be to check even this fund come from this new model and this new fund to check this finance going directly to finance the product or not. Also, when we give you about what we do about Mudaraba, the bank provides capital to the customer, and the bank calls Rabb al-Mal, and the owner of the capital at the same time, the customer called Mudarib, who is responsible to manage the fund. Profit share according to the pre-agreed ratio. As I said to you, this model, we put it as investment account. The relation between the client, the people, and the bank. When this money comes to the bank, he changes his dress and also he is Rabb al-Mal, or he is a financier to other group. You got my point?